ದಿನಾಂಕ 1/8/2025 ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದು ನಂತರ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಪಸ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರುವ ಈಗ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ my lord the students were traveling in the bus. One student throws a colored powder on the other student. Now they want to charge against the institution, my lord, saying that we have not checked through not taken necessary actions to see to it.
What became of that action?
ಏನಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ my lord. What actually the child had a disability.
He completely lost
One eye,
eyesight.
40%, not completely, my lord. 40% is
Permanent disability.
Permanent disability.
ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ my lord. That one eye, my lord, there has been
child sir
correct, my lord, but as far
ಮತ್ತೆ
as
ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್
but the complaint, if I could just point out on the complaint that they filed.
One eye
Bus
completely
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
lost.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ದಿವ್ಯ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಅದೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು.
Bus ಅಲ್ಲಿ when the kids were traveling, my lord, what could have been done, my lord? If I could just read out the complaint, my lord, just one paragraph.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾರ್
Time for
ಯುವರ್ ಡಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗಾಗಿದ್ದು
ಮಗ son.
ಸನ್
If I could read out the
ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್
I have produced a certificate, madam. In along with objections. Page 6. Disability certificate.
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
paragraph.
ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Stay ಆಗಿದೆ.
State has filed vacating stay also. my lord.
If I could-
ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬೆಂಚಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್.
yes. Page number 14, my lord. From the fourth line, fifth line, my lord. ಹೀಗಿರುವಾಗ ದಿನಾಂಕ 1/8/2025 ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ
No, what color were they spraying?
for art purposes they bring this glitters, no, my lord.
Oh, that's poison, that's dangerous.
But kids had got glitter. We would not know as to who would have got the glitter. In fact, the complaint it says.
Oh no, that's used for confetti, it's dangerous.
ಹೀಗಿರುವಾಗ ದಿನಾಂಕ 1/8/2025 ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದು ನಂತರ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಪಸ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರುವ
ಈಗ who are all the accused here?
only the institution.
ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
Right eye completely lost, sir, and another eye also damaged.
What, sir? A child has incurred permanent disability. What are the checks that you have taken up while students get into the bus?
After the classes, when the children are going back, the only checks I can do, my lord, to avoid this is that on an everyday basis I'll have to check through the bags of the small
No,
kids.
something, see, such incidents will give rise to new things to be done.
What we have done, my lord, we have called the parents, we have informed them that when they send, because it's not possible from our 400, 500 students, it's impossible to check the bags of the students on an
What did
everyday
you do with the
basis.
student? What did you do with the student?
My lord, we do not know which student has done. In fact, in their complaint also, they have not mentioned. Subsequent to that, we have in fact asked for, hoping that
Where is the CCTV in the bus?
it is in the front part of the bus. my lord.
ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಲ್ವಾ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಯಾಕೆ
visibility
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
So far as the front
Why
portion,
CCTV is not installed in the bus behind at the rear?
rear end it is not there.
Why?
I have to seek
And
instructions. on-
driver ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ ಮಿರರ್ ಅದು.
ಅಲ್ಲವಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಮತ್ತೆ?
I do not have instructions on that. I'll
No,
find,
no, no, no.
I'll take instructions.
Attender
on that.
If you have not done that, you are at fault.
I'll have it
Attender
checked.
also in the bus. There is no attender also.
I'll have it, I'll take instructions on this part, my lord. If I could just take
So this
instructions.
is a serious matter, sir, you can't.
On this,
And there's an interim order. Oh.
Even other students' statement also not recorded, vehicles also not seized because of stay, my lord.
No, sir.
On the CCTV, my
No.
thing,
Vacated.
just get an instructions on that. because
This
I'm
I will not spare this.
On the CCTV part.
What's
my
the
lord,
age of the child?
13 years.
What, you finished that boy, made him a disabled child? No, if you had some checks in the bus, CCTV,
That I can
both
just.
at the front and the rear, or an attender to attend. That's mandatory for a school bus, correct?
On that, if I am just given 2 days, I'll take instructions and get back. If at all it is there, my lord, I'll submit the documents. Otherwise, I'll leave it to the court, my lord.
Oh, this will not permit this. And rules ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? School
And he is
buses,
also not informed the higher authorities. They have also issued a notice.
ಏನಂತ?
ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆದು 1.5 ತಿಂಗಳಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವೇನು ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Kindly see the page number 16.
But what
Life of the child is lost, sir.
I totally,
See, I'll tell you one thing, if there is death happened, it's a sorry thing definitely, but morbidity is worse than mortality.
I'm totally with my lord on this. But insofar as the intimation that was received, if my lord could see the complaint, my lord, it was stated that on the date of incident, it was not reported to us, nor a complaint was filed. Subsequent to after a couple of days, my lord, this was intimated to us also.
Unless you set things right, we will pass an order that you will not be able to run the school.
My lord,
Don't do all
I'll
this.
just have it verified, my lord, in the meantime.
Don't do all this.
Taking a little time to get the instructions insofar as whether the CCTVs are installed or not. I'll just have it verified.
It's not the case where only one child. It is the case where even a child.
Indeed, my lord.
Yes. List day after tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
List the matter day after tomorrow in the fresh matters list. You also get, ಅದು ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, investigation ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ, yes, additional SPP, step into this and get all the info.
Indeed.